Good morning! So, it's day 19 ng Vlogmas. Every morning, ganyan boses ko. So, yeah. It's day 19 and last day of work and school ni AM. So, woohoo! Yeah, samahan nyo ko sa last day ng school and work. Hayahay na tayo the next 2 weeks kasi walang school and work ako. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this. So, pajama day today sila AM and buti nakakuha ko ng ganito sa Target. Christmas pajama. So, yeah. Papalitan ko na siya and para makakain na din. Bye guys! Hello guys! So,
it's pajama day.
it's pajama day.
Everyone has their pajamas.
Yes.
Even me.
Yes.
After Christmas.
Uh-huh.
I'm not.
Yeah, we're going to AM school. I'm gonna drop him off and then I'm going to work.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. See you guys later. Say bye-bye. Say adios. This is the last day of school for this year. For this year. And adios. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Okay guys, so andito na ako sa work, papasok na ako. Hi, hello again. Update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so andito na ako sa school ni AM, magpipick up. Short day sila ngayon, hanggang 11:45 lang. So I need to leave sa work din ng maaga. Like 3 hours lang ako sa work. So yeah, sunduin na natin siya. Nasa labas na ako pero traffic as usual. Pagka na late ka, mata-traffic ka na. So yeah, 4 minutes pa naman before yung labasan nila. So yeah, update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye. Traffic. Mag-harvest na naman ang kalamansi. Madami-dami pa. Ayun. Apakadami po, kumpol-kumpol. Ay, naku.
Lapin mo lang.
Apa.
Daming nakatago.
Yeah. Ayun. Daming kalamansi. Ayun. Dami pa doon. Ayan. Hello guys. Uy, inaantok ka na AM. Nanay can't carry you. Yeah, it's gonna be a quick one. After Nanay return
No.
something and then we'll go home na. Okay?
It's not.
Yeah, it is because we need to cook. Nanay needs to cook. Okay? So, ayan, traffic. Traffic. Hello guys! So, nakauwi na kami sa bahay and magluluto na ako ng ulam namin for dinner. So, yeah, samahan niyo ko. Mag-film ako ng reels. So, pag-iganto natin yung camera. Okay. Update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye-bye. hintayin lang natin mawala yung yung sabaw niya. Tapos lalagyan ko ng water para lumambot. So, habang nagwe-wait tayo na kumulo and tatanggalin ko yung mga scum niya. Ano ba? Anong gagawin natin? Padating na kasi si tatay. So, kailangan ko na itong maluto para kakain na siya. Kakain na siya. Ayun. May gagawin lang muna siguro tayo. Magliligpit dito. And then, yeah. Update ko na lang kayo. Hello! So, nilagay ko na yung beans. And wait lang natin siya kumulo. And then, ilalagay ko na yung bok choy. Okay, so tapos na akong magluto. Yung gusto kasi ni tata yung natatanggal sa buto. So, ayan na siya. Uniform na daw. Okay, risubo. It's good.
It's yummy, Aiden.
There's no beans. Okay, cherries. For my baby. Binabad ko siya sa baking soda and salt. It's good? Huh?
Food.
Making our skin.
Hello guys, so nanonood kami ng ano yung title ng tatay? The Great Flood.
It's not great. It's dangerous.
I know. Tatay is I thought
Yeah, he's making us scared. I'm making.
No, both of you is scaredy cat.
I thought you're watching like
Sometimes the most
scary
scary,
movie.
He's like not seen in the He was seen in the camera when we're in Canada. He was like scared because he was like in the sky. Yeah, you remember that video? Like when we're in Canada? Yeah, he was so scared that I was laughing at him.
Really? You're
Yeah,
scared
you're
too.
scared. You're the one that's scared. You're shaking.
Yeah, I'm shaking, but you're the scariest. There's a ghost behind you and tickle.
I'm not scared of ghosts. Nana is the one that's scared of ghosts.
I'm scared of vampires and blood.
There's no vampire.
Can I tell you something?
What is it? Oh, natakot. Ayan, natakot na din siya.
Of the manananggal.
Manananggal. Oh, you tell them what's manananggal.
It's an evil witch that's created blood and someone like suction. Like she's tongue is like very big that can kill people's tummies.
Oh, it's a
And their eyes.
tik-tik. It's a tik-tik, not a manananggal.
Tick tick.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is a
You're the
tick
one
tick?
that's gonna eat the baby.
Yeah, no. Okay. Oh, say good night na so we can watch. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Paano daw? AM. Adios.
See you.
Adios. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow with the
Oopsies.
manananggal.
With the manananggal.
Ay, naman, Adios, adios, adios.
scared.
Bye-bye.
Ah.
Wow,